All right, so here we have the horizontal metal bandsaw. So it works just the same as in woodwork. It's a saw and a band, and it goes around and around, and it will help cut through your material. The way it works, you lift it up. Careful, it is heavy. Do it slowly. Put your material in the vise like that. Wind it in, get it nice and tight. If you need to set your material to a certain length, you have this here, which is a stopper or a guide. Lock that off like that. Then next time when you come in, you can just come straight up to your material, to the set length. Now, making it work, it's as simple as, this is hydraulic. So we've got a little lever here, which sets our speed basically. All right, so at the moment it's on 0, so I can't pull it down any further than that until I lift that lever, and then it will be able to come down. Lock off there, raise it slightly, and it will start to come down. All right, you want to set that speed to cut at an appropriate rate, which would be roughly that speed there. Hopefully that shows up on the camera. Okay, roughly that speed. Turning it off and on. Okay, turning it on is the main thing that you need to remember. Okay, emergency stop there and an on here. Okay, there is no other emergency stop, which tells you what? That you need to stand here. Okay, you stand here, you watch your work, you hit stop if you need to. There's also just a normal stop. All right. However, this little switch here, okay, once it's cut through your material, there's a little stopper here that connects to that, and it will turn the machine off for you. So you don't need to stand there and make sure you hit stop as soon as it's finished. It will stop for you. As far as safety, okay, it is a saw. Try and avoid touching it at all times, no matter what, even when it's off. All right, it will cut you. The other thing, obviously, it is cutting. You can see the bits of metal that it has cut out. All right, don't touch them either. They will give you metal splinters, which are super hard to take out of your skin. Think of a fish hook, all right? Very hard to get out. Also, there is splatter. So I might show you later once we've finished about the coolant that flows through. The reason we use coolant. Without the coolant, what happens, it heats up. Metal, when it heats up, expands and it closes in on the blade, which can cause issues. Also, it blunts the blade a lot quicker. So coolant, exact same stuff that we run through our cars. We have it coming out through here and it just drips down onto the blade as we go along. I'll show you the run rate for that a little bit later. But quite simply, that's all it is. Lift it up with it locked off. Be careful with it, it is heavy, it will fall back. Undo it, take your scrap out, put it away, and take your piece that you've cut for your project. It's ready to go for the next person. So to start it, okay, it's on here, comes on like that. You need to fix your run rate of the coolant. So this is currently off, there's none coming out. As you turn this lever slowly, you'll notice that it comes out like that. All right, try not to get it on your skin. If you do, just go wash your hands, okay? Then, I'll come around here. Then you raise this lever to get our cut rate. And we let it cut through, and then you'll notice that it will switch off once we're done. All right, just like that. So it's cut through and it's turned off. Now we're able to take our work out. So this is the piece we wanted, that's out. We can put that there. Come around here, loosen the vise, take our work out and put it back on the rack ready for somebody else to use.